Kaunti ma Migori Lucas Musenda ochiwo siem ne apisas mag piny owacho matiyo e kuonde ma ichiwe mbolea mane yweyo makoro ilieko ne uso ne jo ohala mbolea ma onego chop ne jopur. Musenda mane wuoyo e kinde mane odonjo apisa yanga kaka jatend migawo manyien mar pur, pith jamni kaachiel kod lupo e kaunti ma Migori owacho ni gisechako timo pedha ne apisa mag piny owacho makoro uso mbolea ne jo ohala maduogo uso negi jopur e nengo mamalo. Jatend migawo no koni gintiere kod chenro mar tero mbolea manengo gi yweyo machiegni gi jopur, ka wacho ni sani jopur mathoth wuotho ndamo mar arieya ka gidhi manyo mbolea e kuonde dere ma ikano e kothe ma gin mana dek kende e kaunti no.
Who are able to access the fertilizer at subsidized prices and then they go and sell them commercially out there. I mean, this is unethical, but more importantly, it really then beats the logic of why that program was initiated. I want to assure the people of Migori that we are on the lookout with our security agencies to make sure that that practice does not stop, because then it does not make it any easier or better for our farmers in this county. At the moment, we have only 3 NCPB depots in this county. There's one in Kehancha that is handling fertilizer distribution. There is one here in Migori, and then there is another one in Awendo. Now, if you look at that distribution, there are obvious challenges around access. A farmer in Nyatike, for example, has to travel all the way to Migori to come and access 2, 3, 5, 10 bags of fertilizers. That cost alone beats the reason why the government made this these inputs available.
There are so many problems surrounding the issue of the fertilizers and getting the fertilizers. I'm very sure it's going to streamline that, and people are going to get fertilizers next to their door space.